Hey guys, today I can't fix my Nextbook, and I tried turning it on, but nothing happened, so I think it's kind of out of juice or something, because I don't know what happened. Well, maybe, here's the thing, I don't know what happened to it, it's just not turning on. Bye.